Assalamu alaikum. We are back with another video. Today we talk about and we discuss about electricity. So without wasting your time, first of all, we want to know what is electricity. The simple definition of electricity is the flow of charge. Electricity has basic two parts of nature. One of the most widely used form of energy. And our second question: what is electricity in science? Electricity is the movement of electron between atoms. The outer shell can hold even more. Some atom with many proton can many as a seven shell with electron in them. The electron in the shell close to the nucleus have a strong force of attraction to the proton. According to science, there is a definition of electricity. So our next question is: what are the five types of electricity? Different types of electricity. Number one is fossil fuel, 67% non-renewable sources, coal 41%, natural gas, oil 0.5.1%. Number two, renewable energy, mainly hydrogen, nuclear power. Other sources 3% of filled biomass and other identified type of word. And by our another question is: what is electricity and how many types? So their answer is: there are two kinds of electricity: static electricity and the ambivalent between the positive and the negative charge within the objects cause the discretion of the electron population known as the static electricity. And another is current electricity. Current electricity defined as the flow of electron from the charge. Static electricity, the difference between the two positive negative charge within an object caused by the discharge of electron is called static electricity. And the another is current electricity. Current electricity defined as the flow of electron of one section of a circuit to the another circuit. The SI unit of electricity is ampere. A. Our another question is: what are the principle of electricity? The two circuits of equal voltage in the circuit with the proportionally greater than the circuit of lower resistance is the principle of electricity. And our another question: why is it called electricity? An example: fundamental form of energy absorption in the positive and negative form of the core naturally is also called electricity. That is called electricity. And the example of electricity is electric current or power. Why is it called electricity? The Greek discovered electricity about 3,000 years later ago. Its name came from the word electron, which means the ember. What is mean by AC and DC electricity? AC means electrical electricity and DC means direct electricity. And another question is: what are the two main types of electricity? Number one, direct current, and the number two is currently auto current electricity. With the direct current, an electron move in the one direction, battery is produced in the direct current. The another question: what are the sources of electricity? The sources of electricity are natural gas, nuclear energy, coal in the report of 2022, and much more. Question is: why is electricity is important? People use electricity for lighting, heating, cooling, refrigeration, and for operating the place in computer, electronics, machinery, and public transport systems. So electricity is very important for our life. The another question: what are the advantages of electricity? The advantage of electricity is reliable and interpreted supply and the equipment efficiency and continuously the transposition of electricity is easy once the transmission lines and for the function they work for year, no need or very less maintenance. There are pics of the who invented electricity. So there are some advantages of electricity which I tell you. And our another question is: what is the electric current formula? Their answer is: for determining the electric current is I is equal to V/R. Answer: there are two types of electricity: current electricity, direct current, and the electricity current is the device used to measure the flow of a current is ammeter. So the basic rules of electricity: electricity is always going to flow from higher voltage to lower voltage. Rule number 2: electricity always has work need to done. Rule number 3: electricity always had a path on traveled. No. Another and the last question is: what are the three basics of electricity are voltage, circuit, and resistance. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, press bell icon for more this type of video. Meet in another video. Allah Hafiz and take care.